to make my own diamonds. And what you'll need for the set is the diamond palette, the cups in these boxes, a magnifying glass, this platform, and you will need these rocks and the stuff in the box. Now you need the charger.
What's that for?
It's for the lights on the pad. And you'll need the powder. And there's little packets filled with the seeds to make them, to make the crystals. The charger is for when the lights run out on the platform. Now we have the instructions, and you need an adult with you because you have to boil water to it. I'm going to make this with my mom. My mom is going to help me, and we have to boil the water to do it. This is the crystal growing powder, and the seeds are little packets, and the seeds are inside those packets. The powder is how you get, and then there's colors for each of the crystal seeds go with a different kind of powder. This is some supplies you'll need. You'll need a stainless steel tea kettle and a glass measuring cup, a medium-sized mixing bowl, some newspaper or cardboard, and rubber gloves. And you will be using chemicals, so make sure you have the rubber gloves on when you're using the chemicals, because you don't want it on your skin or in your eyes. It's a good idea to wear protective eyewear so you don't get the chemicals in your eyes. When your crystals are done, you should put them on the light up base. You have to plug it in before the lights light up. And this is what they might look like when they're done. You should boil 1 cup of water, a little more than 1 cup of water. And then you have to pour it in
Go
to
ahead. Pour it in.
Thank you. Okay, I gotta pour it in the light.
Now what are you going to do to boil it?
Now you have to put it on the oven.
No, give it to your parent.
You have to give it to your parent helping you. You're going to put a little bit at a time until it dissolves. And then there's no more stuff you need to mix.
Until the whole bag's gone.
Until the whole bag's gone. Then give your parent the bowl, and then they will pour it into the
Growing cup.
growing cup. You should pour powder into you should pour a little bit of powder into each bowl you make. And you'll need the stick for a while. It's because last time when we made the pink one, I didn't do very good. And Mom had to mix the rest. After these cool for 15 minutes, carefully take the seed rock out of its packet and put the flat side down into the...
Do you want me to do it so it goes the right way?
I get it.
Okay, you can...
So just...
You want me to do it?
Go. Yep, it's round side up.
And then do the same with the rest.
Yep, and then you have to do the same with the rest. Where's the... for 10 days, and then you should have grown 5 beautiful crystals. I hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. I hope you'll join us next time for the next Super Sullivan Sister of H.